This demo shows how you can prevent downtime due to faulty wire connectors. I'm using 16-14 gauge primary wire and one 16-14 gauge shrink and seal butt connector. First, strip the correct amount from the ends of the wire and insert them into the crimp barrel of the connector, making sure the wire is properly seated. Now crimp the connector. Next, apply heat directly to the connector, working from the center outward. Keep applying heat until the tubing shrinks completely and the adhesive flows. Allow the connection to cool before inspecting and checking integrity. Shrink and seal connectors weatherproof, protect against corrosion, and connect quickly and easily.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.